Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all will. What is date today? You all know that today is 21st June. This day we will celebrate International Yoga Day. Yoga means addition of energy, strength and beauty to body, mind and soul. Today we are talk about International Yoga Day. The International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June since 2015 every year. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which originated in India. The Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi proposed the idea of International Day of Yoga during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly on 27 September 2014. The first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. The day was established to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. The word yoga originates from yuja, a Sanskrit word which means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. The practice of yoga has been dated back to pre-Vedic Indian traditions. Yoga helps achieve mental and physical fitness. Do you know, this year we are celebrating the 6th edition of the International Day of Yoga with the theme Yoga from Home and Yoga with Family. Now we will discuss importance of yoga in COVID-19. Yoga has been beneficial for years, and not only for losing weight but also for keeping our mind and soul calm. Yoga plays a significant role during the world crisis as it has healing and other alternative therapies. We have seen that the virus increasing day by day, and by staying home people are going through depression. To feel happy and stress-free, yoga can be the best therapy. Practicing yoga helps to relieve stress and our mind cool. During the COVID-19 pandemic, it has been observed that people from Hollywood to Haridwar want to know more about yoga and Ayurveda. People also paying serious attention to yoga while staying at home. Most people have never practiced yoga, but now they are joining online yoga classes or learning through online videos. Another beneficial of yoga during COVID-19 is that yoga helps in boosting our immunity, and it has been found that yoga helps to cure breathing problems. By doing pranayama breathing exercise, you can increase your oxygen intake up to 5 times. The more oxygen intake, up to 5 times. Thank you. Now, I hope you all understand what is International Yoga and why we celebrate International Yoga Day. करो योग, रहो निरोग. Happy Yoga Day. Stay home, be safe, be healthy.